everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with, of course, another headband wig review. Now, I did receive this headband wig from a store on Amazon. Not sure how to pronounce it. It's a bunch of letters, okay, but it's right here for you guys to see. But make sure you check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig. But I have another Kinky Curly Headband Wig, super cute. As y'all can see, it is burgundy, so it's definitely my type of color and my type of texture, okay? And if I haven't said it already, it is synthetic, but this is super soft, and y'all know how I feel about super soft synthetic wigs. But anywho, if you want to hear a little bit more details about this wig, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs. It has 3 in the front and it has 1 in the back. And of course it has the black strap that you could put a headband on top. You don't have to, but if you choose to, of course you can. They did not send me a headband, so I used one that I already had. So this is from Yxcherishair. Okay, that's what it says. So this is their short kinky curly headband wig. It's 12 inches and it's in the shade 1B/burgundy, so it is like that ombre effect. It retails for $23.98, very affordable. And they have 3 other colors. They have a YB, they have a 1B 30, 33, 27, and they have a black shade. Now it doesn't say what the hair density is, but the cap size is medium size. And I already told you guys the length and the other colors that it comes with. So as y'all saw in the other clip, I did fluff it out a little bit. Of course, I fluffed it out to my liking. So I definitely like the way that it looks. The length is nice. I didn't brush it out, just, you know, took my hands and fluffed it out. But it's really pretty. Y'all know how I feel about burgundy hair. So I really do love this wig. I love the color. I don't think I have a burgundy headband wig, so this is my first one, especially in the kinky curly style. So I definitely will be keeping this one. But yeah, it's really cute, and like I said, it's synthetic. It doesn't feel synthetic at all. It is super soft. So y'all know how I feel about soft synthetic wigs. It's like, that's just like bomb.com. But yeah, she's really cute, big hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all around. So this is how she looks in the front. This is how she looks on the side, the back, and this side. So yes, ma'am. This is definitely a new favorite. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it and hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, the color, the hair texture, all of that. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.